Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to set up a welcome bot. So go ahead to your browser and type welcome bot. And as you can see, Discord offers a welcome bot feature, right? So all you got to do is just go ahead and link the welcome bot to your server. So I'm going to hit the plus button. It's going to open a new page where I log in using my credentials and selected, of course, the server. Let's say the last, let's say this one, okay? And continue, give access or authorize access. Now, the welcome bot has been authorized and added to this server, right? Basically, that's it, right? So consider liking this video, subscribing. You can use the welcome channel inside your server and customize your greeting message. So, till next time, see you.